Hello there! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Gabi sweatshirt, which characteristics are the following: a high collar, a half zipper, a bit slouchy shoulders, and it is cropped. For this sweatshirt I was inspired by any other sweatshirts out there, but more specifically by a couple of jumpers and fleeces that I've seen with this sort of a V or U-shaped piece of fabric, usually rib fabric, that bears the zipper and constitutes the collar. And I have to say that I was particularly inspired by this jumper by Jacquemus. So you'll have to find a good quality sweatshirt fabric. Mine is a looped knit, 90% cotton, 10% polyester. I might write a blog post about sweatshirt fabrics and where to buy good ones that offer matching ribbing and matching zippers. Have a look in the description box. If there's nothing, it means either it's not ready yet or maybe I never bothered to make it. So here are the parts of the pattern: the back, the front, the sleeves, the collar, the wrist ribbing, the waist ribbing, and the zipper. The first thing we'll do is adding the zipper to the collar. So you take the collar and the first thing you will do is make notches in the middle of the edges that I'm showing here. Once this is done, you pin your zipper covering half of one of these edges, right sides together. And I want to show you here that I'm pinning the zipper so that the teeth start where I made the notch in the fabric. I'm using a straight stitch, and this is what I'll use for the entire project, because although it is knit fabric, it is not stretchy, so no need for zigzag. Okay, I left the top part of the zipper up there, this little tip that doesn't bear teeth, free, just because I was hesitating as to how to sew it. Should I cut it off? Should I fold it sideways? In the end, I pinned it so that it curves away from the fabric, and I sewed it that way, and then I cut off the extra bit. So once the zipper is in place, fold the fabric right sides together, and we'll sew the 3 layers together. And this is what you get. Now I'm pinning the zipper to the opposite side of the collar, placing the zipper teeth at the level of the notch in the ribbing again. And then I sew all the way along the edge. I cut the extra zipper piece that sticks out up there. I fold the ribbing right sides together. I sew. And I turn it inside out. I was a bit scared of that step because I'm scared of zippers in general, but it went pretty smoothly. Alright, let's put the collar aside and take the front and back parts, lay them on top of one another right sides together, and sew the shoulder seams. Let's add the collar to the neckline, pin the collar to the neckline right sides together using the notches, sew, straight stitch again, always, and then I top stitch. Alright, let's add the sleeves. I'm connecting them to the armholes, and then we're closing them and the sides too in one shot. This is what it looks like. Finally, the ribbing. Take the wrist ribbing, fold them, sew, fold again and make a notch to mark the middle in the seam allowance, of course. I flatten the seam allowances in opposite directions, fold the ribbing wrong sides together. You can pin like me to hold the 2 layers in place. Here I'm showing you that I folded the fabric in half twice to make more notches in the ribbing. And as you'll see just now, I'm searching the notches that I've made on my sleeves to match them with the ones on my ribbing. I pin the layers together, I sew, and you'll have to tense and pull the fabric so that all the layers are sewed flat against one another. Here's the result. As you can see, I didn't match the seams so well, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. We take the waist ribbing now, fold it in half right sides together, sew, make a notch in the middle in the seam allowance, flatten them in opposite directions. Now I'm folding the loop in half with the seam on one side. I make a notch in the fabric, and then I match the seam and this notch I just made, and I make 2 additional notches on both sides again. I take my bodice and I'm going to match the notches and the side seams of the bodice with that of the ribbing. I pin, I sew. And you know what? What? You've made a Gabby sweatshirt. Yep, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon for another video. Kiss!